Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably pulling your hair out because you can't delete messages on Messenger in 2025. Don't worry. It's a common glitch, and I'm here to help you fix it step by step. Whether it's due to app bugs, outdated software, or permission issues, we'll get you sorted out quickly. First things first, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Head over to your App Store, Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for any updates. Installing the latest version often resolves glitches like this one. If that's not the issue, let's move on. Next, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. This clears out temporary files that could be causing the problem. Now, restart your phone. It's a simple trick, but it works wonders. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This can refresh your system and fix minor software hiccups. Another key step is to check your app permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Permissions, and ensure that storage and other necessary permissions are enabled. Sometimes, Messenger needs these to manage files properly. If you're still stuck, log out of your Messenger account and log back in. Open the app, go to your profile, and select Log Out. Then, sign in again with your credentials. This can reset any session errors. Finally, if nothing works, consider contacting Facebook support or checking for any account restrictions. They might have updates or tips specific to 2025 features. There you have it. Easy fixes to get you deleting messages again. I hope this helped. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other issues. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.